The time now, it is 8:30 in the morning time on this Wednesday morning, March the 5th, 2014 on a Wednesday morning. It's time now for the Water Magician PJ Wiggins, the morning report. Wednesday morning, March the 5th, 2014. Good morning to you all this lovely Wednesday morning. Our congregations at 8:30 in the morning time here in Norton, Massachusetts. Got a temperature of 28 degrees and overcast skies. Humidity 58%. Wind speed northeast about 6 miles per barometer. 30.27 inches. Dew point about 50 degrees. Visibility 10 miles. And wind chill about 21 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows a couple of little batches of snow showers around the northeastern shores of Massachusetts here from ain't enough for Ipswich down for Berlin down for Gloucester, stretching out to sea. And seeing some snow showers in the central and western portions of Massachusetts down for southern Vermont, and stretching out for New Hampshire down for southeastern portions of Maine, stretching out to the Maine coastline here. And stretching it down for the Interstate 9. New York State 3/4 from Albany down to several Syracuse, Manchester, stretching it through Buffalo, and down for southeastern portions of Ontario, down for northwestern portions of Pennsylvania here. Snow showers in off central portions of Maine, the central portions of Quebec, and central portions of New Brunswick. Snow showers in western portions of Nova Scotia. Snow showers in eastern portions of Nova Scotia. Snow showers in southeastern portions of Prince Edward Island. And a line of snow showers off central and northwestern portions of down for southern Michigan, northern Indiana, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, down for south central Iowa, down for southeastern Nebraska, down for western portions of Kansas, down for west Oklahoma Panhandle, and some rain showers in the western Texas Panhandle. There, rain showers around the southeastern portions of Texas, around the Houston area, and searching down much of southeastern Texas. Rain showers and stuff. Southern portions of Texas, down from the northeastern portions of Mexico. We're near Monterey here. Rain showers off the central Louisiana coastline, stretching out for the northern Florida, southeastern Georgia, and for the coastal Carolinas and southeastern portions of North Carolina with some sleet pelts mixed around in southern portions of North Carolina. My friend Nick Testoy is going down the hill to that island, and he is.
With mountain snows, gorgeous day as you get up into the northern.
When he's gonna get there, he's gonna contend with some rain showers here.
Wet weather in the southeast, heavier rain, thunderstorms. In fact,
so far, Hilton Head,
southern Florida, the rain area expands in the Pacific Northwest into central Florida and Nevada. Look for mountain snows out there. Sunny and cold here in the northeast.
Hilton Head, South Carolina. Good morning. It's 39 degrees. Today will be 47 degrees, rain and cold. At 47 degrees here.
Good morning.
All right, let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows
cool fronts, I should say, a cold front dropping south out of Canada.
A couple of batches of clouds from Texas and stretching down for the southeastern states, stretching out of the Nebraska, down for the coastal Carolinas, down for the southern Carolinas, down for southern Virginia. Batch of clouds from Atlantic coast of Canada, stretching out for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, stretching upstate western New York, and batch of clouds from Michigan, down for northern Indiana, down for Illinois, southern Wisconsin, stretching out for Iowa, down for Missouri, down for Kansas, down in Nebraska, stretching up to the northern plains and the Dakotas, and up to the western.
And one teacher's simple idea to prevent it. And
Manitoba down for Saskatchewan and Alberta, down for Southern British, stretching it out for the Pacific Northwest, and stretching out for Northern California, Nevada. Here.
No, couldn't wait to write about it.
All right.
The secret.
And a batch of clouds from
Revealed to her.
Iowa, down Missouri, down for Nebraska, this Oklahoma, down for Texas. Here. Okay, take a look at a map situation here. Cold, pink, and warm for cloudy coming off the Washington coastline, bringing the usual March storminess to the Pacific Northwest here. And stationary front from southeastern portions of Calgary, stretching out to Montana, down for Wyoming, and stretching out to Colorado, down for Kansas, and a warm front from northern Missouri, down for central portions of Illinois. Stationary front from the southwestern tip of Texas, down for Mexico, stretching to the Gulf of Mexico, down for central Florida, stretching out to sea. Low pressure off North Carolina. Low pressure on the southeastern portion of Mexico here. A warm front from the Panhandle and stretching out to central Texas here. For the bottom, from northeastern portion of Michigan, down for central Ontario, down for central New York, and down for southern Vermont and New Hampshire here. And for the bottom, from southeastern California, down for western portions of Mexico here. 25 degrees. High pressure in northeastern portions of Ontario. We got a temperature 25 degrees temperature now. Here in Boston, it's 27 in Washington, D.C., 34 in Atlanta, 74 in Miami, 49 in Brazzaville, 33 in Dallas, 38 in Kansas City, 19 in Chicago, 13 in Minneapolis, 28 in Denver, 41 in Albuquerque, 40 in Salt Lake City, 38 in Great Falls, 51 out in Seattle, 55 out in San Francisco, and 56 in Los Angeles. Alright, we are going to take a look at current conditions around the region. It is 25 degrees on temperature right out here in Boston. It's 21 out in Bedford, 23 out in Beverly, 25 in Gloucester, 24 in Norwood, 28 in Taunton, 27 in New Bedford, 28 in Falmouth, 29 out in Chatham, 28 out in Provincetown, 30 in Nantucket, 29 in Martha's Vineyard, 23 out in Smithfield, 26 in Wesley, 30 out in Block Island. It's 28 in New London, 24 in New Haven, 28 in Bridgeport. It's 24 in Denver, 23 in Waterbury, 26 in Meriden, 25 degrees on temperature in Hartford, 23 in Windsor Locks, 22 in Springfield and in Emerson up in Greenfield, 18 in Pittsfield and North Adams and in Bennington, 19 in Albany, 19 in Keene, 17 in Concord, New Hampshire, 16 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 20 in Nashua, New Hampshire, 22 in Potsdam, New Hampshire, 30 down in New York City, 27 in Islington, 31 out in Montauk. Alright, let us take a look at our HPC forecast discussion for today. Yeah. Heavy rain possible for the Pacific Northwest and Northern California, and heavy rain along the southeast coast. Upper level energy over the western Gulf Coast will move to the Carolina coast by late Wednesday night. A second area of upper level energy over the Southern Rocky Little Movies where it intensified into the central Gulf Coast by Thursday evening. While the first disturbance moved from the Gulf will flow northward over the eastern Gulf Coast, produce rain moderate times into parts of the Carolina coast. The second disturbance will pull moisture out of the Gulf, producing showers and thunderstorms with moderate rain over the parts of the Florida and expanded into parts of the southeast on Thursday. In addition, light to moderate rain will develop over the southeast and move to the Carolinas by Thursday evening. A disturbance over the eastern Pacific will move into the Pacific Northwest, Northern California on Thursday, while decreasing in intensity after moving inland. The system will produce light to moderate rain along the Northern California coast of the Pacific Northwest, intensifying to moderate heavy rain by Wednesday evening into Thursday morning. Still also to develop over the parts of the Northern Rockies and spread into the Northern High Plains.
Call 888-400-4.
Center Rockies on Thursday with rain and low elevations over parts of the Great Basin. Elsewhere, upper level energy over the Middle Mississippi Valley to the Ohio Valley will trigger a region of light snow over parts of the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley, Middle Mississippi Valley, rain over the parts of the central part lanes by Wednesday evening. Likewise, initial upper level energy will trigger slight snow over the parts of the Midwest on Thursday. Alright, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for New England here. An Arctic air mass continues to dominate the region today, with temperatures much colder than normal. Very light snow flurries are possible today tonight ahead of an Arctic frontal passage. Otherwise, mainly dry weather prevails with an ocean storm likely passing out to sea on Friday. Temperatures moderate Saturday, a weak cold front that moves on Saturday with a colder air wind turn for Monday and Tuesday. Yeah. We can see some light snow showers today and tonight. Very little accumulation. Today, light snow showers will move into southern New Hampshire and northern Massachusetts early this morning. They'll overspread across much of the region for today. Very little snow accumulation expected, however. Perhaps close to inch may occur north of Route 2 across higher elevations. There, tonight's snow should come in from both. However, ocean effect snow showers will impact locations across the eastern Massachusetts coastline. There, snow showers may drop close to an inch of snowfall. There will be a low, probably perhaps 2 inches across Cape Cod and coastal Plymouth. Okay, let's take. Okay. 1 inch of snow from Greater Boston and stretching out from western Plymouth down from Bristol and Norfolk County down from Montreal, Connecticut down from central and western parts of Massachusetts. 1 to 2 inches of snow possible from northern western Massachusetts up to central northern Worcester County down from Merrimack Valley down from southern New Hampshire, and also 1 to 2 inches from coastal Plymouth County to Cape the Islands. Here.
I have no intention of picking it up.
Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For today, scattered snow showers. May afternoon, cloudy with a high of 31 degrees. North wind about 6 to 8 miles per chance of precipitation, 50%. Little to no snow accumulation expected. Tonight, scattered snow showers. Mainly before 9 p.m. Cloud skies, then gradually becoming part cloud skies with a lower end 10 degrees. Wind chill value is lower 0 degrees. North wind about 8 to 11 miles per chance of precipitation, 30%. Little to no snow accumulation expected. Thursday, most of the skies under 29 degrees. Wind chill value is as low as 1 below. North wind about 6 to 9 miles per hour. Thursday night, part cloud skies lower 13 degrees. Left northeast wind. Friday, most of the skies under 39 degrees. Cloud wind becoming southeast about 6 miles per hour in the morning. Friday night, most of the clouds got low 27 degrees. Saturday, most of the skies are near 46 degrees. Saturday night, most of the clouds got low 26 degrees. Sunday, most of the skies are near 41 degrees. Saturday night, podcast got low 24 degrees. For Monday, most of the skies are near 41 degrees. Monday night, most of the skies got low 27 degrees. For Tuesday, most of the skies are near 40 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day. A little chance of snow today. This is PJ Winston with a good day with a good positive attitude. Here.
Your character.